Myself, Dr. Ashok Kumar, Department of Zoology, Ganga Singh College, Chhapra, running under JP University, Chhapra, Saran, Bihar. Today I am going to switch on the topic West Coast River System, West Coast River System of India. West Coast River System mainly comprises of the two river systems, Narmada River System as well as Tapti River System. Narmada River System, the length of the Narmada River is 1280 kilometers and it originates from the Amarkantak hills of Bilaspur district of MP, Madhya Pradesh. It originates from the Amarkantak hills in Bilaspur district, located in Bilaspur district of state Madhya Pradesh. It has about 50 rivulets and each rivulet is 40 to 180 kilometers long. So it has about 50 rivulets and each length of each rivulet is 40 to 180 kilometers. So the number of principal tributaries are 18. 18 principal tributaries are 18, out of which 16 comes in 16 comes in MP, Madhya Pradesh. 16 tributaries Madhya Pradesh में and 2 tributaries in Gujarat. Narmada River has a total catchment area of 6,330 square kilometers. The commercial 6,000 its catchment area is 6,330 square kilometers and the commercial catches are as follows. Commercial catches mainly, first we come to the major calves. Tor, Mahasir. Tor, Mahasir, a variety of tor is tor, and then Labio fimbriatus. It is a variety of labio. So tor, Labio fimbriatus, Labio calvasu, and Sirhyna mrigala. Sirhyna mrigala, that is Naini. So these are the major calves. Tor, Labio fimbriatus, Labio calvasu, and Sirhyna mrigala. These four are the major calves which are found in the catches of Narmada River system. Now minor calves. Puntius minor calf, Labiobata, and Puntius sarana and Sirhynus reva. They fall under the category minor calves because they are minor because they do not attain a size more than 2 feet in their lifetime, hence they are minor calves, and the above mentioned Tortor, Labiopimbriatus, Sirhanus myrgla, and Labiocalvasu, they attain more than 2 feet length in their lifetime, and hence they are called major carp. Now catfishes. Catfishes contribute a lot to the fishery of Narmada, and among the catfishes, Rita pavmentata, Ostobagrus singhala or Mr. Singhala, Valago attu ompok, ompok bimaculatus, that is Pafta, ompok bimaculatus, and Mistus cavaceus. Mistus means Tengala. So, these are the common catfishes found in the Narmada river system. Among murrels, Chennai species are present. Among featherbacks, it is Notopterus. Among eels, Masta cymbalus. Masta cymbalus means Gaichi. Masta cymbalus armatus, Masta cymbalus punctalis. These are the varieties, and these are also found in river Narmada river system. Now clupids. Among clupids, Hilsa ilisa, that is most relished, and this Hilsa ilisa is found there in lower reaches of the rivers. So they are also in abundance. So that is all about the Narmada river system. Now the second is Tapti river system. River Tapti originates from the Mount Vindhya of Satpura range of Madhya Pradesh. It originates from the Mount Vindhya of Satpura range of Madhya Pradesh and crosses Madhya Pradesh, then Maharashtra, and lastly Gujarat. The main fishery of Tapti river system is almost the same like as follows as river Tapti. Carps, among carps, major carps, or among major carp as well as minor carps. The carps present there are Tortor Labiopimbriatus, as it was found in Tortor Labiopimbriatus in Narmada river system. So, Tortor Labiopimbriatus, Puntius species, these are minor. Labiobogat, Labiocalvasu, and Sirhaina myrgla. Labiocalvasu, Labiobogat is minor carp, and so Labiocalvasu, that is major carp. Labiocalvasu, Sirhanus myrgla, Labiobogat, and Labiopimbriatus, Tortor, these are the carps found in Tapti river system. Among catfishes, Valago attu and Ostobagrus singhala or Mr. Singhala. Osteobagrus singhala or Mr. Singhala, these are the catfishes found in the Tapti river system. The same murrels, the Chennai species are found. Among eels, Masta cymbalus armatus, they fall under eels. Masta cymbaliformis, a fish of Masta cymbaliformis, they are also called eels. Clupids, among clupids, Hilsa ilisa, that is most relished in east coast, in North Bihar, in Odisha, Hilsa in Andhra Pradesh. It is most released fish, Hilsa. Hence, now this is all about the West Coast River System. Means West Coast River System has only two river systems, Narmada River System as well as Tapti River Systems. Narmada River System and Tapti River System, Narmada River System that crosses between the two states, that is Maharashtra and Gujarat, while Tapti River System crosses three states, MP, Maharashtra and Gujarat. So it is found in three states. It runs through three states. Tapti River crosses three states, while Narmada River state, Narmada River System that crosses two states. The origin of Narmada is Amarkantak Hills in Bilaspur district of Madhya Pradesh, and it has about number of the one thing that is important, that out of there are 18 number of principal tributaries of Narmada River System are 18, out of which 16 are found in MP while 2 are in Gujarat. So it crosses through MP and Gujarat, while Tapti River System, it crosses through the states of MP, Maharashtra and Gujarat. There in Narmada River System, it crosses the two states, that is Narmada MP and Gujarat. MP and Gujarat, while the Tapti River System crosses the MP, Maharashtra and Gujarat. That is all about the West Coast River Systems of India. Now I will switch on the next topic tomorrow. Thank you.